Right now, though, want to welcome to the program Jim Manley, the attorney who represented students for concealed carry on campus in their challenge of the Colorado University's gun ban. Jim, thank you so much, sir, for coming on the program tonight.
It's always a pleasure, Tim.
Well, congratulations on the Supreme Court today striking down the University of Colorado's campus gun ban. Let's talk, before we get to this decision. Actually, you know what? I want to ask, what does this decision actually mean today? Is the gun ban officially gone now in Boulder?
Well, it's not quite gone yet. The Supreme Court just said that the ban violates state law, but we still have to go back to the trial court and get an injunction getting rid of the policy.
Okay.
So, but CU has indicated, at least in the media reports that I've seen, they've indicated that they're not going to fight this anymore. So hopefully that's a good sign that we can, really vindicate gun rights on campus sooner rather than later.
Absolutely. And I know that this was a fairly lengthy challenge. When did Students for Concealed Carry on Campus actually file this lawsuit?
Yeah, we filed in December of 2008. So we're just past the 3-year anniversary, and we finally have some resolution.
Yeah, the Supreme Court today, now they did not get into Second Amendment issues here because they didn't need to reach that argument. In other words, they were able to strike down the university's ban on concealed carry because it violated the 2003 Concealed Carry Act.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, courts don't like to reach constitutional questions if they can avoid it. And the Concealed Carry Act, the statute, vindicated my client's rights to carry on campus. We won completely just under the statute alone, so the court really had no reason to go look at the constitutional questions. And so it's been...
I'm sorry, Jim, did we lose you?
Oh, yeah, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I was saying, the court didn't need to reach the constitutional questions because we were able to get complete relief under the statute alone.
You know, it was amazing. I mean, this was a unanimous decision today, and I know that we've talked in the past, and you felt very confident that the Supreme Court was going to reach the conclusion that they did because the language of the 2003 Concealed Carry Act was very clear. Was it not?
It is. The Concealed Carry Act says that licensed concealed carry is permitted in all areas of the state. And the regents made the curious argument that they weren't included in all areas of the state. And the Court of Appeals and now the Supreme Court saw through that argument and just applied the plain text of the statute and ruled that CU's ban is unlawful.
You know, what do you think the chances are, Jim? I mean, we know that the gun control advocates are probably not going to take this line down. Do you think it is likely that they will try to revisit this legislatively and try to overturn the Concealed Carry Act of 2003?
Yeah, I hope not. And in Colorado, we've seen what concealed carry on campus looks like because Colorado State University has followed the state law since 2003. They've had almost a decade of concealed carry on campus in Colorado, and it hasn't caused any problems. So, the only reason to revisit the law would be out of just prejudice against gun owners, and obviously that's a real thing, and it's something that motivates a lot of people, unfortunately, and a lot of people that are in the legislature. But I'm hopeful that real-world experience here in Colorado has some effect and at least sways some of the more reasonable members of the legislature.
Well, I certainly hope so. And again, Jim, I think this was a fantastic victory. All of the gun control groups had filed amicus briefs. All of the pro-Second Amendment organizations, including the NRA, had filed amicus briefs. So this was a case that clearly both sides were watching very intently.
Yeah, everybody weighed in, and it's thanks to the NRA and the Second Amendment Foundation and everyone else who weighed in with amicus briefs. And the gun control groups weighed in as well, but fortunately, our side won the day.
Absolutely right. Well, Jim, again, appreciate your time tonight, sir. Congratulations, and look forward to talking to you again very soon.